Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OPPO Find X3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. On the third place in my top is Niagara launcher, so just find it. And click install. Wait a while and click open. This is really minimalistic launcher. Just find your favorite apps. These apps will be here on the home screen, and here you have my menu. If you want to find any application, just tap your finger on the alphabetical line and drag it to the desired letter. For example, if you want to find the YouTube, drag it to Y. If you want to find the Play Store, drag it to P. And it's very easy. As you can see, you don't need to swipe between home screens, swipe to open my menu and find it in the menu. No, just alphabetical line. On the second place in my top is this theme, is standard ColorOS theme for this device. Why? Because this theme is beautiful. It have alphabetical line. It looks great, and you can customize the widget icons here, customize transition, and here you have the customizable layout. And on the first place in my top is maybe not too beautiful theme, but very functional. So firstly let's find the Play Store and find here Microsoft Launcher. Click install and click open. Get started while using the app, allow, continue, skip, OK, skip again, choose your favorite apps here and click let's go. Cool. Here in the left panel we have the favorite widget. So maybe not the favorite, but any widgets you can set up. You can set up it here, so you don't need to set widgets here on the home screens. Of course you can, as you can see, but you don't need. You can set all widgets here, and you don't need to switch between thousands of home screens to find desired theme. Second killer feature is the main menu with the alphabetical line and hide up feature, and the killer feature is the gestures. For example, using the double tap, of course you can use system features, shortcuts features, or you can set up opening application. For example, by double tap I will open the calculator. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope one of this launcher was liked for you. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you.